I'm gonna teach you how to create get a profile and utilize it in your projects. So just click sign up, click Google, and in Google select your account. After that's done, you'll see a create GitHub repository button here or even here. So click it and write the name of the project, whatever you wanna call it, and select the visibility. You can select public if you want everyone to see it and see the code too. Or you can set private if you only you and your contributors want to see it. By contributor, I mean your teammates. Now, once that's done, you have to just run these commands or go to GitHub, desktop, download it from here. I've already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. And just after it's downloaded, click open it. When you open it, you will see a sign in with GitHub option. Click it and click continue with browser, and it will open this option. So click continue, then again authorize, and it will open the GitHub app. Once that's done, you will see all of your repositories. You should have only one if you just created the account, and click clone this repository. What it will do is download all of the code and files to your computer. For now it's empty, so it won't take much. Here you can see it's trying to download it in the documents. So keep note of it. All of your programs will be in documents and in GitHub folder. So clone it. It will create a folder here of your code. So now there is only .git folder which manages all of the history of the project. So here there are no changes. You can just right click here, new, and open a text document here. That's it. And open it in Notepad and say hi. Close it. That's it. Here you can see the newly created document is listed as changes. So these changes aren't in the repository here. It's currently empty. So in order to push your changes to the GitHub, all you have to do is write the commit message is the description of what you have done. So I have just typed hi in txt file. That's the change I have done. And it's useful for your teammates so they can just read it and know what you have changed. Now I've clicked commit here. What it will do is create a history here. It's historically recorded at the year changes. And now you can see you have to post your branch. It's not published in the remote yet. So in their computers, it's not published. So we can click publish branch and it will publish everything to the GitHub. Now refresh here. You can see your document is here and it has hi in it. That's it. So in this section, I have explained you how to create a GitHub profile. How can you manage your GitHub repositories using GitHub desktop app. Next, I will explain you how you can get the projects of your friends. If someone else have already created a project, how can you manage it? So here I will explain. I will use my own GitHub profile here. So Let's say your friend have some notes bookmarks app. You can just click code, and here you can see open with desktop app. We'll click it, open the desktop app, and it will say the link of the repository. Make sure it's the correct one, okay? And then the path. So it will get downloaded in desktops, GitHub, and the name of my project. So click clone. Okay, now it's done. All you have to do is just click here, open in Explorer, and you can right click and open that particular project in Visual Studio or any code editor you like. Now, if you have done any changes, let's say I opened the readme file, okay, and I have updated the dots and all and saved it. You can see here the change I have done. Here you can see I don't have the right access to the bookmarks. Want to create a fork. What does this mean is I don't have the permission to just commit and push the changes to my friend's repository. So what your friend will have to do is go to the settings of the repository. This is the same one, and go to settings. What your friend will do is go into contributor section and add the person. Test cmd replicate, right? This is my username. Your might be a better one. I'll click invite and click add. You can do the same with your friend. So you can give your project to your friend the same way as I'm doing here. So after doing this, you can accept the invitation. You'll see you can just commit the changes. I'll write undo this. These changes are committed. I haven't pushed this yet. If I post it, that's it. If you want to do the same using the commands, and if you want to use these commands, all you have to do is copy them, go to your terminal, go to your any folder and create a folder, new folder there as test. In that folder, paste all of this, and it will just send it all. If you have any query, just text me or down in the comments.